अंडरग्राउंड म्हणजे गोयचे सांगता काय
गोयचे गोयचे
ना अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग खूप केला लायक पोंडा ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी वन ऑफ द आमचे ऑनरेबल पावर मिनिस्टरची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट जाल्ली आसा. पोंडाय घेतलेलें आसा, प्रियोल मार्सेल एरिया आमी घेतलेली आसा, मागीर आमी पेडणे घेतलेली आसा, म्हापसा घेतलेली आसा, पणजे तो पयलेंच कितलींच वर्सां 20 वर्सां पयलीं आमी केल्लें आसा, मरगांव कंप्लीट जाल्लें आसा, थोडी एरिया इन बेनावली घेतलेली आसा, नावेली फूल एरिया घेतलेली आसा, काणकोण इवन विलेजांक वी हॅव कंप्लिटेड. सो काणकोण जाल्लें आसा, थोडे केपें घेतलेले आसा, थोडे कुंकोली गेला. सो ऑलमोस्ट अक्रॉस एंटायर गोवा वी हॅव डन ऑन द एसटी साइड almost 70 to 75% we have converted. Now LT we have not taken because we have to take in a phased manner, and because the underground cabling cost is also quite high, so we need to see what is the budget allocation for. Based on that, we will take in a phased manner for LT. But HT is very important because finally when HT network get disrupted then so damage jata or it takes more time for restoration. सो तो ऑलमोस्ट 75% कंप्लीट जाल्लें आसा. आनी ज्यो एरिया कोस्टल बेल्टाक आसताय, फॉरेस्ट एरिया, अर्बन एरियाज, म्युनिसिपालिटी एरियाज, त्यो आमी घेवन ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट केल्ले आसा.
सो कितलो एस्टिमेट जाला तेजो तो कॉस्ट जे तुमी कंप्लीट केला म्हणटा ते?
ऑलमोस्ट इफ यू सी लास्ट 3.5 years, ऑलमोस्ट 4 years यू कॅन से अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंगाचो नियर टू 3,000 सुमार आमी खर्च केल्लो आसा.
3,000 crores. ओके. लास्ट
गोवा तामनार प्रोजेक्ट हितून 4 segments are there. 2 are outside Goa and 2 segments are inside Goa, within Goa. So from Kolwale till Darbondara, till line 400 kV complete जाल्ली आसा. Sangod substation 400 kV will get converted to 220 kV. ते complete जाल्लें आसा. आणि Sangod Darbondara to Sheldon, this is the second segment. So that is also completed. Outside Goa there were 2. So at 765 kV line up to Ambewadi, that is completed. From Ambewadi, that is Karnataka, till Goa Sangod, almost some 93 kilometers. Out of 93 kilometers, 17 kilometers is in Goa. Balance is in Karnataka. That is not completed. Now we have completed the ring from Kolwale till Sheldon. Totally get completed because we are just waiting for inauguration. But since it is only Goa portion, the full benefit will be max to max 15 to 20%. Once the line from Ambewadi, that is from Karnataka to Sangod, the line globally completes ena. There's a full 100% benefit mentioned.
Okay.
Right now, made law, but to the extent of 15 to 20%. Because finally, because Kolwale Sanchi line yata, ती आमकां restriction आसतले upstream line.
Okay.
जी कोल्हापूर to Kolwale येता, म्हापसा Kolwale. So तेजो benefit since restriction on the upstream येतले, तितलो power मेवचो ना. पूण in terms of reliability, because whenever the source for South Goa, which is coming through Ambewadi line, coming from Karnataka to directly Sheldon, that gets disrupted many times because this line comes through the dense and thick forest. So during that time, we will be able to divert the power, some power from Kolwale to Sheldon through this line. So this is the benefit. But if you have to get the benefit to the level of 100%, Karnataka to Sangod, which is pending, has to be completed.
When will it complete?
See, this project comes under central government, under CEA, Central Electricity Authority, because it is a interstate line. We are the beneficiary. So now there are some issues, some approvals pending from the Karnataka side and from the MOEF, but they are getting it resolved. The management of the Goa Tamnar was in Goa, and they said in the next 2 years this also line will get completed.
Thank you very much.